What's up everyone and welcome to Fortnite Friday. In today's video we're drawing the Bush Ranger from Fortnite. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we start all the way over on the left side, starting from the top of that circle, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now we're just going to line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Coming down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, I'm going to pull this in, and then back out, line this up on the right side, and then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw a small circle for the nose. Go all the way around, and then back up. And we'll move down and draw the top edge of the mouth, starting over on the left, curve down, and then up. Now we're going to go back to the left side, step down, draw the lower edge of the mouth, coming down, and then up, and we'll draw the edge of the tongue, going back to the left, curve up and down, and then we'll fill the top half in black. Now from here we're going to surround the face with a pattern of leaves. Let's start at the very top, right in the middle. Start with a point. Then from here we're just going to curve this out towards the left, up, and then bend that back in towards the middle. Let's go back down towards the bottom, curve out towards the right, up, and then in. And then we'll add a fold along the side, starting back on the left, out, and then bend that up, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Let's go back over towards the left, step out, draw a short angled line coming down and in on either side, and we'll curve this out and then up. Let's add another large leaf on the side of the head. Line up with the top edge of the eye, step out, so we curve this up, and then down on the left, line this up on the right, going up, and then bending that back down. Let's go back to the outside and curve the bottom of the leaf. We come down, and then bend that up on the inside. And then going back towards the left side, curve in and then down, curve this out and up in behind the leaf on the side of the head. Let's go back up to the top, step up, start with another point. I'm going to add two leaves on either side, curving up and out towards the left and right side. And then from here we're going to curve out and then down. And then from the bottom we're going to step back up, curve another leaf, going up and out, come out, and then bend that back in. Let's do that again. Stepping up, curve up, and then out. Now we're just going to pull this down and then in towards the top of the leaf. Now we're going to add some branches coming out from the top of the head. Let's start on the top left. Start with a straight angled line going across. Bend this up and out towards the left. Flatten off the top. I'm just going to trace this curve coming down, then angling back down and in on top of the head. Let's add a branch on the left side. Stepping down, out and up, flatten off the end, and then curve that back down and in. And we'll add one more on the right side. Curving out and up, flatten off the end, come down and then in. Now I'm just going to add a leaf on top of each branch. Let's start from the top, curve out, and then in, then go around the right side, back down towards the bottom. Let's go to the left side, curving out the left side, and then the right. And we'll add one more on the right side. Let's add another leaf on the side of the head. Starting from the inside, we're going to step down, curve down, and then bend that out. Go over towards the right. Do the same thing. Now we're just going to pull this up and then in underneath. Let's move back to the center underneath the mouth and add another leaf. Starting with a point, curve out the left, and then back in towards the middle. Go back up to the top, curve the right side, and bend that back in. Then from the top, we're going to step down, draw another curve, going up and out towards the side. And then from the top, curve out, and then down. Let's tuck this leaf underneath the center leaf, coming in and then bending that up. Let's move out and draw the bottom edge of the head. Starting on the left side, curve the head coming down, then just bend that in behind the leaf. Line this up on the right, come down, and then in. And it'll fill in the gaps along the bottom. From that bottom leaf, we're going to step up, curve down and out towards the side. And from here, we're going to go up, and then bend that in, just beside the edge of the head. And it'll close out the side. From the top, we'll step down, curve out, and then up. Go up, and then in underneath. Now I'm going to go back and add those markings across the face. Let's start on the left side, curve down and in, line this up on the right. And then from the inside, angle down and out. And it will follow that same curve going back out toward the side of the head. Now on the left side, I'm going to step down, add another curve, coming down and in, taper that back down toward the bottom of the head, and do the same thing on the right. Let's layer a couple more leaves in behind. Let's start on the left side, curve out and down, come down and in, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add one along the top, going up and in, and then down. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side, curve the body going out and then down, and then we'll add a point, going up and in with a short line. Let's go back out and then down towards the bottom of the body, curve that up and in. Let's add a few points along the bottom. Starting back on the left, come down and out, pull this in and then up. And we'll add one more point in the center. Come down and in, go out and up on the right. Now we're going to add a couple pinecone grenades going across the body. Let's start on the bottom left. Start with an oval, going all the way around. Now we're going to move up and draw that again. Just touching the inside and going back up. And then we'll add a strap going in behind those grenades. Starting on the outside, curve up and in, continue on the right side, up underneath the head, step down, draw that again, going up and in, and up towards the top. Now I'm going to add texture inside each of the pine cones. Starting from the top left, just going to curve down and up. Just going to repeat this all the way across towards the right. Step down and then do that again. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we tuck the legs in underneath the body. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve down and then up. Now from the outside of the foot, we're going to curve the leg coming in and then up underneath the body. And do the same thing on the right. Let's separate out the toe. We're going to step in, draw another curve coming in and then up. And then we'll add that bark texture, starting on the outside of the leg, go up and in, and down, and then back up. Just take that and flip it over on the right. And then from the outside of the leg, curve down and in, taper that back toward the outside, do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start at the top of the body, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle coming in and out to the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. And we'll add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down, just bend that back up around that bracket, step down, curve the second finger, going around and up, and then the third finger, go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's separate out the hands. Starting from the top of the wrist, start by curving up and then out, come in, and then taper that back out. Let's go back to the left side, step up, curve up and out, taper that back in. And then we'll add one more mark on the outside. Coming in and then down. Taper that back up and out on the side. And that's pretty much it. There's the Bush Ranger from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.